title. Alright, this intro's done.
Alright, now that's fully seated and already got the propane back attached, so now I just need to go in and start screwing all this down. Alright, got it all screwed back up. Now I'm just going to put the door back on, or the little hatch, whatever it's called. Alright, the door is now back on, so I'm going to go around this lip right here and just caulk all the way around. Should be fun. Yo, got some merch out now. Check it out if you guys want. Links in description.